Hey, you guys want to learn how to put some cool icons on your iPhone home screen? Well then, check this out. All you need is an app called Shortcuts, which comes for free on your iPhone. Now you don't need Adobe Photoshop, but if you have it, you can make your own cool custom icons. We're gonna change the TikTok icon as an example. Head over to Google and type in something like TikTok iOS icon. This is the closest to the actual icon, so I'm just gonna copy this and put it right into Photoshop. From here, you can spice it up however you like. You can cut out your favorite anime characters, no one gives a shit. Or you can look for your favorite K-pop idol. I'm just gonna type in Everglow year in PNG, so that way it's already cut out for me. Slap your K-pop render on top of the app icon. Then you can add some drop shadow, some outline, whatever you like. We're gonna go with this, and then you can import it to your phone however. First up, open up Shortcuts. If you don't have it, or if you don't know if you have it, you can go over to the App Store, search it up, and download it. Once it's open, hit Create Shortcut, and then Add Action. Search up Open App, and then tap on it under Actions. Click on Choose, and you'll see an entire list of every app you have on your phone. We're gonna use TikTok as a demonstration. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. You can name the shortcut whatever you want. We're just gonna name it TikTok. Hit Add to Home Screen, press the icon, then hit Choose Photo. From here, you could choose whatever photo you'd like from your phone. I'm gonna choose the icon I just made. I'm gonna name the icon TikTok, and then we're gonna add it, and you're all set. You're gonna end up with doubles of your icons, but don't delete the original ones. Just move them to another folder and replace them with your new shortcut ones.